Hi all, let's learn how to work with WebDriver wait command today, which is also called explicit wait. Okay, so we will go to sdfcbank.com and we will try to enter some data over here in the search text box. Okay, so we'll do it without writing WebDriver wait command. Okay, let's see whether we are able to access it or not. Driver equal to new Firefox driver, Control Shift O to import all the jar files or from the class from where it is coming. Then do driver.get. So it has to start with HTTP, right? sdfcbank.com. Okay, so let's check. Let's just inspect and see if it has name ID. So right click and inspect element. So we can see it has a class name which is nothing but search box. Just copy it and go to this, write driver.find element by dot class name and double quotes the class name dot send keys, and suppose we'll write debit card. Okay, so save it and let's run this. So it's loading sdfcbank.com now. Let's see what it does. You see, we got some error. So it says no such element exception, right? It is unable to find it because the page came, whereas before even loading all the item, it didn't wait for the search box or other element to be loaded, right? So what we need to do is we need to use WebDriver wait command here, or explicit wait here, in order to wait for the search box to be present, and then we will enter the text. So the command for that is, we have to first write WebDriver, then web element search box equal to new WebDriver wait. And just pass your driver and the time in second. So I'm passing here 60 seconds because I think it's taking a lot of time to load the search text box. So as soon as the text box appear, it will just go to the next execution. Okay. So that dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable. So there are a lot of items which you can choose from. So here you can write, you have to pass by locator, right? As it says by locator, so you can also put it in the next line for easy to read. Element is clickable by dot class name search box. Okay, and save everything. So after this we will do search box dot send keys. Okay, so now close our existing driver, let it stop, clean everything, and now run it again. So it is again waiting for HDFC Bank to be loaded, but if you see, it is not throwing that exception, right? Because we have written the WebDriver wait command. It is going to wait for that search box for 60 seconds. So if it is taking beyond 60 seconds, then it will say that timeout exception. But if it is present within 60 seconds, then it is going to find that search box and it is going to type it, right? You see here, it also typed the text. So that's all. It's all about explicit wait or WebDriver wait. There are so many methods which can be used over here. So if you just check here, press dot, you can see there is alert is present, attribute to be, attribute contains. So what is attribute element, like what web element it is or what element it is, and what attribute you are looking for, like for the class name or value or ID, and what should be the value you are expecting. If that particular value doesn't come, then it will throw an exception. Okay, so you can try and explore all this conditions over here. So thank you all for watching it.